Hello friends, day 56. So I polished off what was left of St. Cuthbert's Way, which took me into Melrose, and I've started on the Southern Uplands Way. But today was a big day in terms of my feet, because I had a very kind offer from Melrose Footcare to give my feet a 1,000-mile service. So Tracy did just that. She checked them over and said they were in very good condition, but she did find a couple of corns that had been there for ages and ages, and she kindly removed those. And by Jove, I feel like I've got a new foot on the left side. Brilliant. So I shall be marching on tomorrow with renewed vigour. Thank you very much, Tracy. Let's have a look at where I've been today, and in the meantime, see you on the trail. I've been missing my room with a view, so tonight that is exactly what I've got again. And that is Galashiels down there.